Some of the storm damage here from now Tropical Storm Irene. A large branch over here in neighbor's yard. Oh, look at that. Another couple of big ones over here. Still a little breezy, misting a little bit. It did lose power for about an hour and 15 minutes or so. Look at the road though, my God. There's a couple of branches right in the middle of the street here. Here comes another wind gust. There's a car coming down. Some ponding here and there. I don't know if that's a tree or if that's a bunch of bushes. I think it's a bunch of bushes. Here comes another gust. Oh boy, here we go. More limbs. Another car. Look at all this debris. Another gust coming in. Some more slightly larger branches.